Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you all today.
It's great to see you, Tom. How are you doing today?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I'm feeling energized. It's a new week and I'm ready to go. How about you, Sarah?
I'm great, thanks. I'm a little tired from the weekend, but that's okay.
A busy weekend. We'll have to talk about that.
Yes. But before we dive into our topic, we have a small request for all of you listening.
That's right. If you're enjoying our podcast, please click the like button. It really helps us out.
And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Everyday English Lab so you never miss an episode.
And don't forget to share this podcast with your friends and family. Anyone who's learning English.
Sharing is caring, as they say.
Exactly. So, Sarah, what are we talking about today?
We're talking about something everyone can relate to. Our week. The 7 days from Monday to Sunday.
Our week. That's perfect. Everyone has a week. Everyone does things Monday through Sunday.
That's right. And everyone's week is a little bit different.
True, some people work Monday to Friday, some people work on weekends. Students have school.
Exactly. So today, let's talk about our typical week. What does a normal week look like for you and for me?
I like this idea. It's very practical. So let's start at the beginning. Let's start with Monday.
Monday. You don't sound very excited about Monday.
Well, Sarah, I have to be honest. Monday is not my favorite day of the week
Really? Why not?
because Monday morning means the weekend is over. I have to wake up early. I have to go back to work.
I understand. Monday can be difficult. The alarm clock rings and you think, oh no, not yet.
Yes, exactly. My bed is so warm and comfortable on Monday morning. I don't want to get up.
But you do get up, right?
Yes, I do, eventually. And the first thing I do is make coffee.
Coffee. Of course.
I need coffee to wake up. I go straight to the kitchen and make a big cup. Black, no sugar.
Coffee is very important on Monday morning. I drink coffee too, but I like mine with a little milk.
That's nice. So after coffee, what do you do?
I get ready for the day. I take a shower, get dressed, have a quick breakfast. Usually just toast or cereal.
Toast is good, simple and fast.
Yes. Then I check my emails and my calendar to see what I have to do today.
The Monday to-do list.
It is. On Monday, I like to plan my whole week. I look at what meetings I have, what projects I need to work on.
That's very organized, Sarah. I try to do that too.
Planning helps me feel less stressed. If I know what's coming, I can prepare.
That makes sense. Do you work from home or do you go to an office on Monday?
Usually, I go to the office. I like going on Monday because I can see my colleagues.
Your coworkers?
Yes, exactly. I say hello to everyone and catch up. We talk about our weekend. It's nice.
I think that's one of the good things about Monday. Seeing people again.
Definitely. What about you, Tom? Do you go to an office?
Not usually. I often work from home, but on Mondays I have a lot of meetings.
Meetings. Everyone has meetings on Monday.
It's true. Monday is meeting day. In the morning we have a team meeting. Everyone talks about what they're working on.
That sounds useful, but also a little bit boring.
It can be. Sometimes the meetings are very long. I sit at my computer and listen and drink more coffee.
More coffee. You drink a lot of coffee on Monday.
I do. I need it. By the end of Monday, I'm tired. But then I think, okay, one day down. 4 more to go.
4 more until the weekend.
Exactly. So then comes Tuesday. Tuesday is a little bit easier than Monday.
I agree. Tuesday feels better. You're already in the rhythm of the week.
Yes, the shock of Monday is over. On Tuesday, I usually feel more productive.
Productive. You get more work done.
That's right. I focus on my important projects. I have fewer meetings on Tuesday.
That's good. I like Tuesday because it's my gym day.
Your gym day? You go to the gym on Tuesday?
Yes, every Tuesday after work. I started going in January. It's my New Year's resolution.
Wow, that's great, Sarah. How is it going?
It's going well. At first, it was really hard. My muscles were sore, but now I feel stronger.
What do you do at the gym?
I run on the treadmill for about 20 minutes. Then I do some weight exercises. Nothing too heavy.
That sounds like a good workout.
It is. And I feel so good afterwards. I have more energy.
I should go to the gym too. I keep saying I'll go, but then I never do.
You should try it, Tom. Even once a week is better than nothing.
You're right. Maybe I'll start next Tuesday.
Good idea. So, what do you usually do on Tuesday evenings?
On Tuesday evenings, I like to cook dinner. A proper dinner, not just something quick.
Oh, you like cooking?
I do. It's relaxing for me. I go to the supermarket and buy fresh ingredients.
What kind of things do you cook?
Different things. Sometimes pasta with vegetables, sometimes chicken with rice, sometimes soup.
That all sounds delicious. I'm not a very good cook, so I usually make something simple.
Cooking is easier than you think. You just need to follow a recipe.
Maybe you can teach me sometime.
I'd be happy to. So, after Tuesday comes Wednesday, the middle of the week.
Wednesday. Some people call it Hump Day.
Hump day? What does that mean?
It's like climbing over a hill. You go up Monday and Tuesday, you reach the top on Wednesday, then you go down towards the weekend.
Oh, I like that. Hump day. That's funny.
It is. So Wednesday is interesting because you're halfway through the work week.
Yes, you can see the weekend in the distance, but it's still far away.
Exactly. On Wednesday, I usually meet my friend Lisa for coffee in the evening.
Every Wednesday?
Most Wednesdays, yes. We've been doing it for years. We go to a little cafe and we just talk.
What do you talk about?
Everything. Work, life, relationships, books we're reading. It's our time to catch up.
That sounds really nice. Having a midweek break like that?
It is nice. It gives me something to look forward to on Wednesday. What about you?
Wednesday is my cleaning day.
Your cleaning day?
Yes, every Wednesday evening I clean my apartment. I vacuum the floors, clean the bathroom, do the laundry.
Wow, Tom, you're very organized.
I try to be. If I clean a little bit every week, then it never gets too messy.
That's smart. I should do that. I usually wait until the weekend to clean.
Try doing it on Wednesday. Just 1 hour. It makes a big difference.
I will. So after Wednesday comes Thursday. Thursday is great because Friday is the next day.
Yes, Thursday is when you start to get excited. The weekend is almost here.
Exactly. On Thursday, I'm usually pretty tired from the week. By Thursday, I need a break.
What do you do to relax on Thursday?
Honestly, not much. I usually just go home after work and watch TV or write a book.
Nothing wrong with that. Sometimes we need quiet evenings.
Definitely. I sit on my couch with a cup of tea and watch my favorite TV shows.
What shows do you watch?
I like dramas and mysteries, shows where there's a story that continues from episode to episode.
Like a series.
Yes, exactly. I get really into the story and I can forget about work for a while.
I do the same thing, but I watch documentaries,
Documentaries? What kind?
all kinds. History, science, nature. I find them really interesting.
That's a good way to learn new things while you relax.
It is. And then finally, it's Friday.
Friday, the best day of the week.
Oh, yes, everyone loves Friday.
The energy on Friday is totally different. Everyone at work is happy and smiling,
That's true. On Friday, people are more relaxed. They talk more, they laugh more.
and the afternoon goes by so fast. You look at the clock, and it's already 5 o'clock.
Yes, and you say goodbye to your colleagues. Have a great weekend.
Exactly. So, what do you usually do on Friday night, Tom?
Friday night is my social night. I usually meet up with friends.
Where do you go?
Sometimes we go to a restaurant for dinner. Sometimes we go to a bar for drinks. Sometimes we just go to someone's house and hang out.
That sounds fun.
It is. After a long week of work, it's nice to see friends and just have fun. Do you go out on Friday night, Sarah?
Sometimes, but not always. Some Friday nights I'm too tired. I just want to stay home.
And what do you do at home?
Usually I order takeout food, pizza or Chinese food or something like that.
Comfort food.
Yes, exactly. And then I watch movies. I love watching movies on Friday night,
What kind of movies?
all kinds comedies, action movies, romantic movies, whatever I'm in the mood for.
Sounds perfect. And then Saturday arrives, the first day of the weekend.
Saturday is my favorite day of the whole week
Really? Why?
because I can sleep late. No alarm clock. I wake up naturally when my body is ready.
What time do you usually wake up on Saturday?
Around 9 or 9:30, sometimes even 10 o'clock if I was up late on Friday.
That's nice. I wish I could sleep that late, but I can't. Even on Saturday, I wake up around 7:30 or 8.
Really? Why?
I don't know. My body is just used to waking up early.
Everyone is different, I guess.
They are. So what do you do after you wake up on Saturday?
I make breakfast. A proper breakfast. I make eggs and bacon or pancakes.
That sounds delicious.
It is. I take my time. I sit at the kitchen table and eat slowly while I read the news.
That's a nice, relaxing start to the day.
It is. Then in the afternoon, I usually run errands.
Errands. What kind of errands?
You know, boring things. I go to the grocery store. I go to the pharmacy. Things like that.
Ah, yes, the Saturday errands. I do those too.
It's not exciting, but it has to be done.
True. I usually go to the farmer's market on Saturday morning.
Oh, I love farmers markets. What do you buy there?
Fresh vegetables, fruits, sometimes bread from a local bakery. The food is always really good quality.
That sounds wonderful. I should find a farmers market near me.
You should. So what do you do on Saturday evening?
Saturday evening is usually my fun night. That's when I really go out and do something social.
Like what?
I might go to a nice restaurant with friends, or go see a movie at the theater. Or sometimes there are concerts or events in the city.
That sounds like a full day.
It is. By the time I go to bed on Saturday night, I'm exhausted, but happy.
And then comes Sunday, the last day of the weekend.
Sunday. I have mixed feelings about Sunday.
Mixed feelings? What do you mean?
Well, I love Sunday because it's still the weekend. I can relax. But I know that Monday is coming the next day.
Ah, the Sunday blues.
Yes, exactly. The Sunday blues. Do you get them?
Sometimes. But I try not to think about Monday on Sunday. I try to just enjoy the day.
That's a good attitude. What do you usually do on Sunday?
Sunday morning, I like to go for a walk, just around my neighborhood or in a park.
That's nice. Getting some fresh air?
Yes, it clears my head. Then I come home and I make brunch.
Brunch. I love brunch.
Me too. I make something special like French toast or an omelet.
And what about Sunday afternoon?
Sunday afternoon is my lazy time. I lie on the couch and I might watch TV or take a nap.
A Sunday nap. That's one of life's great pleasures.
It really is. Just a short 20 or 30-minute nap. I wake up feeling refreshed.
I take naps on Sunday too, sometimes. What about Sunday evening?
Sunday evening, I start to prepare for the week ahead. I look at my calendar, check my emails, plan what I need to do on Monday.
So you do think about Monday on Sunday.
Just a little bit. I find that if I prepare on Sunday evening, Monday morning is less stressful.
That makes sense. I should probably do that too.
And then Sunday night, I go to bed early, maybe around 10 or 10:30.
Smart. I try to do that too, but sometimes I stay up too late watching TV.
It's hard to go to sleep on Sunday night. You want to hold on to the weekend as long as possible.
Exactly. But then Monday morning comes and you're tired.
And the cycle starts all over again.
It does. That's the week. 7 days, Monday through Sunday, then back to Monday again.
It's interesting how each day has its own feeling, its own energy.
It is. Monday feels different from Friday. Saturday feels different from Wednesday.
And everyone's week is a little bit different depending on their life, their job, their family.
True. But I think having a routine, having a regular schedule, can be helpful.
I agree. It gives structure to our lives.
Even though sometimes we complain about routine, about doing the same things every week, it actually makes us feel more secure.
That's a good point. When we know what to expect, we feel less anxious.
Exactly. So even though Monday morning might be difficult, at least we know what's coming.
And we know that Friday will come eventually.
Yes, the weekend is always waiting at the end of the week.
That's a nice thought.
It is. Well, Tom, we've talked about a lot today. The whole week from start to finish.
We have. It was a great conversation, Sarah.
I think so too. I hope our listeners enjoyed hearing about our typical week.
Me too. And I hope it helps them practice talking about their own routines in English.
Definitely. These are words and phrases we use all the time in everyday conversation.
They are. Things like, I go to work, I meet my friends, I cook dinner. Very practical English.
Exactly. Well, I think it's time for us to wrap up this episode.
I think so too.
But before we go, we have a question for all of you listening.
Yes, here's the question. What is your favorite day of the week and why?
Is it Friday because the weekend is starting? Is it Sunday because you can relax? Is it Wednesday because you're halfway through?
Everyone has a different answer. We want to know yours.
Please leave a comment below and tell us. We read every single comment and we love hearing from you.
And while you're down there, please don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Lab if you haven't already.
Yes, subscribing helps us create more episodes for you. And hit that like button if you enjoyed today's episode.
And share this podcast with anyone who's learning English.
Thank you all so much for listening today. It means the world to us.
It really does. We appreciate every single one of you.
Until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful week.
Yes, have a great week, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.